on this, we're going to bring in meteorologist Derek Van Dam. Really good to see you. We just heard from Patrick, and I'm curious about this. You know, he's talking about these tremors, right? And I'm wondering, officials say it's imminent, it's likely. How are officials sure about that, given, you know, the activity of those tremors right now?
Well, the tremors, Paula, are creating the seismic activity that's longer duration than a usual earthquake in and around the volcano. So this is giving an indication to volcanologists, to scientists, that magma is trying to surface to the top of this volcano. Even the dome of the volcano has started to actually increase in height. So that is a telltale sign that this volcano is set and primed and ready to erupt. What you're looking at here is the Caribbean Ocean. This is the Windward Islands, and St. Vincent Island has one lone active volcano. It's on the north side of the island, and that's important because of what I'm about to explain to you. What has occurred here within the past 24 hours is what is called an effusive eruption. That means that the lava has steadily flowed out from the volcano's crater. But what they're concerned about, volcanologists and scientists, is that there could be more of an explosive eruption, sending volcanic ash and magma into the upper levels of the atmosphere, being dispersed in a larger area around it. And that is why they need to get people off of this island as quickly as possible, because of the signs that they have seen. Here's a little bit of the recent images before the sunset yesterday, the venting that has occurred. This is an incredible image from marinetraffic.com. These are all passenger vessels, but notice the vessels edging closer towards the St. Vincent region and the Grenadines. These are actually cruise liners that are aiding in the evacuation process, trying to take the thousands of people that are on the island currently right now. Now, authorities have identified some areas on the island that are safer than others if they're not able to evacuate. The Windward Islands, the windward side of these islands, I should say, that would be the eastern facing sides of the islands, will actually be a quote-unquote safer location, because the winds, the predominant winds across this area, will take, if there was a volcanic eruption, a imminent volcanic eruption, it would take that volcanic ash and push it away from the island. Kingston is an area in the southern portion of the island that they have identified as a relatively safe location if you cannot actually evacuate. So that's what the volcano looked like earlier this morning. Of course, we're going to be monitoring this story very close.